Talking Photos.ai 2.0 is an advanced AI-powered software that transforms still photos into lifelike talking and singing videos. Developed by Paul Pana, the platform is packed with features such as perfect lip syncing, converts text or voice into highly synchronized speech animations, dynamic facial expressions, adds realistic emotions to match the content, multi-language support, creates videos in numerous languages using advanced text-to-speech or custom voiceovers. AI Face Swap integrates your or another person's face into generated videos. Background editing allows background removal or customization for unique video settings. Storyboard feature enables the creation of longer, cohesive video narratives by merging scenes. The latest updates also include high-definition video outputs and integration for enhanced full-body animations, making it ideal for marketing, storytelling, or creative content creation. It's accessible through a one-time purchase or a trial-based subscription model, appealing to users seeking high-quality video tools without ongoing costs. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool. Click the link below to get started today with a one-time payment and unleash unlimited creativity. Grab your Talking Photos.ai 2.0 now.